Hey guys, what's up, wagwan. Today I will be showing you how to stew gungo peas. So these are my ingredients. So these are some lovely gungo peas here. They already shell, fresh gungo peas. I'm using saltfish, which is codfish for you guys, a bone dry coconut. I'm also using some curry, onion, tomato, scallion, thyme, garlic cloves, and a little piece of ginger. Pimento berries, one of Jamaican's best spice ever could make. Cayenne pepper. And if there's a need for anything else, I will show you as I go along. But I will be showing you today how to make what? Stew gungo peas. So are you ready? Let's go. In the dish. So right now I am washing the gungo peas. Working off the coconut. Wow. Alright, now so our pot is on. I'm going to add a tablespoon of our oil, and this is natural coconut oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to burn the curry. So you don't want too much heat underneath the pot when you're burning the curry. And you, as you all see, I am using coal, and coal is very hot. I'm going to add my curry now, add my garlic, then I add my curry. I'm going to burn my curry, and as soon as your curry change color, that's when you know it is burned. You're burning your curry, you're not burning up your curry, because if you burn up the curry, it is going to be bitter. So you want to turn your stove gauge down really low and allow your curry to burn. So as soon as that is finished, we're going to add our gungo to the pot. It is already washed. So now that our curry is burned, we're gonna go ahead now and we're gonna add our gungo peas to the pot. And you want to give that a good stir, a good mix to combine the gungo peas with the curry. Alright, as soon as that is complete, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some coconut milk to the pot. So we're going to go ahead now and add our coconut milk. So then you can go ahead and turn up back your stove gauge, because I'm gonna lower this pot right now. We're gonna cover and allow to cook.
I used to go to country. Welcome to each and every one of us here. We just thank you for your
Alright, so basically guys, I am washing my coconut.
one verse of Exodus. It said, what is it we produce? Jesus Christ walked the earth over 2,000. Thank you, Tim, for citing the scripture. I don't know which part it went to, is what it is. Messi, CYN win. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to friends, family, subscribers. Don't know what took place a while ago, but if you're attention.
Putting up the coconut now to blend. Adding my coconut to the blender. Okay. So I'm about to cook my saltfish now. So I'm going right over to the pot with this, so come along. I won't be using all of this though. So let's go. Adding my saltfish to the pot. And we're going to allow that to boil. So let's check back with this stew gungo, curry stew gungo. Alright. We add some water as well to it. And we add coconut milk. And you can if you don't have coconut milk, you can just use your water to do it. But you know it is nicer when you use the coconut milk, especially the bone dry coconut milk. Very flavorful. Alright, so we're going to cook our gungo, continue to cook our gungo, and we squash them a little as well as we check in on them from time to time. We're going to squash them with using your fork. Yeah. Checking in on the saltfish, and this is it. Well boiled. Alright, me go pick him up here now. Alright, so my season is finished, wash and everything guys. So what I'm going to do now is just cut them up and add them to the pot. You can cut your onion finer, and you can cut your tomato as small as to how you want it. This is how I want it. You can dice them up or you can slice them up. I have a piece of ginger. I am going to grate that piece of ginger as well. Alright, so this is our scallion. Let's give this a little pound in order to release that flavor in the pot. Then we're gonna go ahead now and grate our ginger. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add these ingredients to our pot. So let's going over to the pot. Alright, so remember, as you go along, you squash your gungo with your fork. You don't have to squash everything, but you want to squash it to give it that body. Or you could go ahead and add a little flour or cornstarch. Remember, those are our key ingredients to give our gravy body. So adding my ingredients. So we're going to clean up our saltfish and debone the saltfish, and then we're going to add it to the pot. Alright, that's it. You're in the first one. Alright, so I'm adding some cayenne pepper, guys. Adding a little cayenne pepper. Adding a few seeds of pimento berries as well. I know that is one of our main spice. Then I'm going to go ahead now and pick up our saltfish and add it to the pot. I'm adding a bit of black pepper as well. I don't add any salt because I'm using saltfish. So as soon as I add the saltfish, then I'll go ahead and taste. Remember to taste and adjust. Taste and adjust, alright? So we're gonna leave this to release all of that flavor while we pick up our saltfish. So let's just cover this and allow it. Adding the saltfish now, guys, to the pot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're gonna dazzle our lovely saltfish. Boneless saltfish, and you can get the boneless saltfish to buy in the supermarket. I did not choose to buy it. I debone mine, but you can surely get the deboned saltfish to buy, right? So you can go ahead and buy that and use that. But this is it, people, our stew gungo peas. Can I tell you? Ooh. Look how lovely this is. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna dash me scotch bonnet pepper right here about now. A lovely scotch bonnet pepper that came off my tree, and we're gonna leave that there. Yeah, and that's it, man. Our curry gungo stew peas. That is it.